かの打開策を練ってるってとこですかね。
練るものな。この陣に打開策はない。10日経とうが1年経とうが、俺らが岸にいる限り奴らは
It's making a stallion.
最適なの。ここまで騎士を固めた敵を船も持たない俺たちが抜くには何か特別な作戦がないと無理だ。
今から探しに行くのか。
そうだ。東平君が無手といった状況であってもこの道を切り開くのが身体の技術だ。墓地のここを攻めたら海岸全てから集中砲火を浴びてしまう。川崎の水が手が的なちょうど落ちる。もう一つの川崎の道を俺と一つに渡る。こっちの騎士は大きくは逆の一つ。矢の雨を攻めるには最もいい。エンジンがここを何とか海岸まで大きな右端から敵の手を進たちは上陸し一気に騎士を制圧し後続の渡河の道を確保。これが船も橋もないこの無手の壁。
イカのじゃないんだ。
Do you like that? When I smack it and you watch it bounce right back. He really lost it when he saw me do the right left. I'm a man eater, you were just a light snap. I got him pressed like he working on his triceps. I'm a flirt, I'm a tease, they be hurt after me. Told him, baby, what's a player to the G-A-M-E? Saying need to worry about him bringing me to the beach. Jealous who? Girl, please. Left, right, do it to the beat. Top with my body, that's my strategy. Other girls try, but I'm really hard to beat. He'll be mine off my strategy. Left, right, do it to the beat. Top with my body, that's my strategy. Other girls try, but I'm really hard to beat. He'll be mine off my strategy.
Strategy, like gravity. One, look at me. I better, boy. You be down on your knees, calling me out, begging me, don't leave. My strategy will get you, boy. Hey boy, I'ma get you real good and I'll get you. Hey boy, once I get you, you'll be oh so glad that I met you. Hey boy, I'ma get you real good and I'll get you. Hey boy, you'll be oh so glad that I met you. Hey boy, I'ma get you real good and I bet you.